With Playtime Co.'s new patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest ways. She loves watching you play. When you're having fun, she's having fun. The new Mommy Longlegs from Playtime Co. What's the time?
Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying to get the power back on. Here. I wanted to thank you for freeing me. I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back. There's a train station near. It needs a code, and I have it. We're gonna get out of here. As soon as you get on up here. Here. I see you. I should be able to follow you through the fence. This way. Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't you make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times.
And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code.
Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and your insides while you're still alive.
Show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Welcome to Musical Memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works. A set of colors will be shown and recreate the exact sequence of buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, Your test is over. The test will be difficult as it continues, with longer passes in quicker succession. That's good luck.
Oh, isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat. Oh, that's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Yellow. Yellow, blue. Yellow, blue, blue. Yellow, blue, blue. Yellow. Yellow, blue, blue. Yellow, blue. Round 2. Green. Green, green. Green, green, blue. Green, green, blue. Yellow. Green, green, blue. Yellow. Green, green, blue. Yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow, violet. Round 3. Yellow. Yellow, red. Yellow, red, white. Yellow, red, white, orange. Yellow, red, white, orange, white. Yellow, red, white, orange, white, red. Round 4. Blue. Blue J. Blue J heart. Blue J heart orange. Blue J heart orange pie. Blue J heart orange pie smiley face. 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 J. J heart. J heart J. J heart J pie. J heart J pie question mark. J heart J pie question mark. Round 5. Snowflake, ravenous eye, turquoise, question mark, snowflake, burgundy, lenda, burgundy, question mark, yellow, burgundy, red, ravenous, yellow, ravenous, lenda, red, 5, turquoise, question mark, yellow, lenda, violet, organ, blue,
It broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look up. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay, though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
You did fantastic! Who gave you permission to be this smart? Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told you that herself. Our next game is Wacko Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
Welcome to Wacko Wuggy. This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities. A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes. An adorable Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of these holes. If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack. That's all. Good luck.
toys in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled fast when they got too close to the children. Have fun. The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun. Oh, you did it. Mommy is so proud of you. Here, Mommy has another hint for you. Only one game left to play. Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever. Though, it's never too late to change your mind.
the button to feed me candy.
That's what I like to hear. So, Marcus, what happened?
You see, I was heading home for the day when my ape arse realised that I left me bloody wallet in the cafeteria. So I'm running through the lobby, and that's when I see it. A mob handle lodged under the innovation room gate.
So what'd you do, Marcus?
Well, I just thought I'd nab the bloody yoke and be on me merry way.
And?
Well, I'm reaching for the thing, and the mob handle jolts on its own. Had me scared stiff. I thought I was there. So, I beneath the gate, and bloody thing.
Have you used before? Oh, good. Seems like you're ready for the final game, statues. Follow Mommy down the stairs one last time. I hope you had a fun day at the game station. See you next time.
Welcome to Statues. This advanced obstacle course is designed to your physical endurance and the rules are simple. The lights will turn off. You can move through the obstacle course at this time. However, when the lights turn on, you can around but cannot move. You may move again once the lights turn back off. The lovable PJ Pugapillar will follow you. If PJ reaches you, your test is over. That's all. Good luck.
It was always so sad to see the kids go. This brought me Mommy because I was the closest and never had to one. But they come for games and never come. They left Mommy to die alone. Mommy didn't deserve that. But you worked here. So if anyone deserves to die alone, it's you.
We're going to play one last game! It's called Hide and Seek! 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Log code 08502. In relation, experiment 1006. Prototype. A close call occurred this week in which he nearly breathed. The prototype seemingly...
Did you kill her? Good. I'll board the train. Who needs to leave? You saved me. You're perfect. Too perfect to lose. I'm sorry. I can't let you leave. I've never met anyone like you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case? Well, too long. I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free.